Effective Decision-Making Review. Chapter 1. The foundation of success lies in decision-making. In today's rapid world, the pace is a double-edged sword. On one hand, it brings unprecedented comfort and efficiency, a luxury those in past centuries couldn't imagine. On the flip side, this speed comes with its challenges. One significant pressure of our fast-moving environment is the need for swift decision-making, particularly for those in leadership roles. Understanding your business and its industry thoroughly equips you to make informed decisions swiftly when necessary. Every day, we're confronted with the need to make quick decisions. We understand that making the right choices isn't easy, especially under pressure. Given that slowing down the fast pace of business isn't an option, the critical question is, how can we navigate this dilemma to ensure we're making the best decisions quickly? This book is designed to answer that question. The upcoming chapters will introduce you to methods and tactics designed to enhance your decision-making skills, regardless of the time constraints. You'll discover 4 distinct perspectives to approach decision-making: effective goal setting and achievement strategies, insights into SWAT and pest analyses and their benefits for your organization, techniques for identifying the underlying causes of complex business issues, and much more. Chapter 2. The Art of Decision-Making Through Observation and Reflection. Understanding how we make decisions involves exploring the concept of frames of reference, which are essentially the mental processes our brains go through during decision-making. In this chapter, we'll dive into 2 specific types of frames, with 2 more to follow in the next chapter. By examining these, you can identify the approach that best suits your decision-making style. Key to remember: enhancing your ability to observe creatively and deepening your knowledge about your field can significantly improve your decision-making skills. The OODA Loop. Originally developed by Colonel John Boyd for military strategy, particularly in air combat, the OODA Loop is equally effective in the business world for outmaneuvering competitors. Standing for Observe, Orient, Decide, and Act, this model offers a structured approach to decision-making. Observe. Start by taking stock of your surroundings, whether in a physical, mental, or business context. Look for changes or nuances in your environment, such as a new participant in a meeting or the general mood in the room. This stage is about gathering factual data around you, much like a combat pilot assessing their immediate environment to plan their next move. Orient. This phase is influenced by your personal experiences and knowledge. It involves interpreting the observed data and asking yourself, given what I know, what should I do next? Success here is heavily dependent on your accumulated knowledge and the accuracy of that information, highlighting the importance of continuous learning. Decide. Weigh your options and visualize potential outcomes before making a decision. Act. Implement your decision, completing the cycle and readying yourself to observe the results and adjust as necessary. Recognition Primed Decision Model, RPD. Developed by Gary Klein in 1989, the RPD model is likely something you've used intuitively. It involves identifying a problem and devising a singular solution based on your skills and past experiences. This model is particularly effective if you've previously faced a similar issue, allowing you to draw on your experiences to quickly formulate a plan. Both the OODA Loop and the RPD model showcase the importance of observation, orientation, and leveraging past experiences in making sound decisions. By understanding and applying these frameworks, you can enhance your decision-making process in both personal and professional contexts. Chapter 3. The Foundations of Long-Term Decision-Making, Goal Setting and Planning. Following the exploration of 2 decision-making frameworks previously, we now turn our attention to 2 additional models that emphasize the importance of goals and thorough planning for effective long-term decision-making. GROW Model. The GROW model stands for Goals, Reality, Options, Obstacles, and Will. In this framework, setting clear, well-defined goals is paramount. For any organization aiming for success, goals need to be SMART, specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. Edoardo Binda Zane eloquently stated, Achieving your goals isn't as crucial as the growth experienced during the journey. After establishing your goals, evaluate your current reality. How much progress have you made towards these goals? Next, consider your obstacles, acknowledging possible paths and their respective challenges. Select the option with manageable obstacles. Finally, the will phase prompts action by asking, what will you do with all the considered factors? The GROW model excels as a coaching tool rather than a quick decision-making method. PDSA cycle predominantly used in healthcare, the PDSA, Plan, Do, Study, Act cycle, is a meticulous and structured strategy, albeit time-consuming and not suited for snap decisions. The planning stage is crucial. It involves assessing factors that could impact your goals. With a strategy in place, move to the Do phase, implementing your plan. Then, study the outcomes. Was your strategy effective? Did you achieve your goals, or do you need to rethink your approach? Your actions in the Act phase depend on the answers. Continue with the plan if successful. Adjust the plan for better results. Terminate the plan if it's not working. Tony Robbins reminds us, a real decision is measured by the fact that you've taken a new action. Without action, there hasn't been a true decision. These models underscore the necessity of clear goal setting and meticulous planning in making long-term decisions. By applying these frameworks, you can navigate the complexities of decision-making with confidence and clarity. Chapter 4. Harnessing Analytical Tools for Enhanced Business Decisions. Making informed business decisions is crucial. A misstep can lead to losing market share, sometimes irreversibly. By thoroughly analyzing decisions, particularly significant ones, you can prevent potential setbacks. One effective tool for this purpose is the SWAT analysis, a comprehensive method to evaluate business strategies. Key insight: business decisions are influenced by both internal and external factors. A thorough examination of these aspects is essential for success. SWOT analysis, a closer look. SWOT stands for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. This analysis is most effective when it involves genuine input from team members within the organization rather than relying solely on theoretical data. To illustrate, let's apply SWOT analysis to a hypothetical clothing line aiming to double its $100,000 annual sales in the next year. Strengths. These internal attributes can propel you towards your goal. For the clothing line, strengths might include a unique competitive advantage in the market, high-quality, durable, and affordable products. Weaknesses, internal challenges that may hinder your goal achievement. Identifying these offers insight into areas for improvement. The resignation of a key staff member due to health issues, significant debt. Opportunities, external chances to achieve your goal, potential investment in your clothing line. A tax exemption announced for SMEs in your state for the upcoming year. Threats, external challenges that could prevent you from reaching your objectives. A major competitor planning to enter your market. High transportation costs affecting online order deliveries. For SWOT analysis to be truly beneficial, it requires a thorough and honest evaluation of each factor. Fun fact: SWOT analysis was pioneered in the 1960s by Albert Humphrey, a business and management consultant, as a way to identify factors affecting corporate planning. Chapter 5. Navigating External Growth Factors with Pest Analysis. While SWOT analysis provides insight into both internal and some external factors, pest analysis focuses exclusively on the external elements outside your control that could potentially impact your business. Understanding these factors is crucial for navigating potential challenges and positioning your business for growth. PEST stands for Political, Economic, Social, and Technological Analysis. Edoardo Binda Zane emphasized the importance of foresight for business leaders, noting, every business leader that wants to succeed for long must learn to keep sharpening their foresight. Political factors. These encompass all political conditions that could influence your business objectives, including government regulations, political stability, employment laws, and environmental policies. Economic factors. Considerations such as taxes, inflation, deflation, and the overall economic climate fall under this category. impacting your business operations and profitability. Social factors. The social environment can significantly affect your business. This includes customer loyalty, demographic shifts, cultural trends, and media perceptions. Technological factors. In an era of rapid technological advancement, factors like artificial intelligence and innovation can greatly influence your business's capability to compete and succeed. Pest analysis is particularly valuable for large organizations by highlighting risk factors and aiding in strategic decision-making. It's essential for key decision-makers to periodically review their business's standing concerning pest factors, either independently or with their team. Expanding on pest, there are more comprehensive models like PESTLE, adds legal and environmental factors to the analysis. STEEP includes ethical factors. STEEPLED further extends to ethical, environmental, demographic, and legal factors. Taking the time to conduct a pest analysis can provide a clearer picture of the external landscape, enabling more informed and strategic decisions for your business's future. Chapter 6. Understanding Market Dynamics for a Thriving Business. In the realm of business, market dynamics significantly influence your strategic decisions. For instance, the rivalry between Apple and Samsung in the smartphone industry is a classic example of how competition impacts product decisions and market share. This competition necessitates careful planning and innovation from both companies to avoid losing their foothold in the market. However, the intensity of competition varies across industries, underscoring the importance of understanding your specific market landscape. Key question: how competitive and profitable is your industry? Finding the right answer to this question is crucial for making informed decisions. To aid in this analysis, Michael Porter's 5 Forces framework offers invaluable insights. Edoardo Binda Zane emphasizes, regular situation analysis is vital for staying abreast of the ever-evolving industry trends. Porter's 5 Forces analysis. This framework identifies 5 critical factors that determine industry competitiveness and profitability. Competitive rivalry. The level of competition in your industry affects its profitability. High competition usually means lower profits due to factors like innovation, industry transparency, and market concentration. Threat of new entrants. The easier it is for new companies to enter the industry, the more competitive it becomes. Low entry barriers can lead to market saturation, prompting existing businesses to innovate and secure their market position. Threat of substitutes. If your products or services can be easily replaced, your market demand will decrease. Identifying what makes your offerings unique is crucial for maintaining a competitive edge. Buyer bargaining power. High buyer power, where customers have many alternatives, can force prices down. Understanding customer needs and differentiating your products can help mitigate this power. Supplier bargaining power. Similarly, a high number of suppliers increases their bargaining power, potentially raising your costs. The specialization of suppliers and the difficulty of switching between them can also influence this power. The stronger these forces, the more challenging the industry is to navigate profitably. Recognizing and strategically responding to these forces can position your business for success in a competitive landscape. Chapter 7. Unraveling Business Problems with Root Cause Analysis. Identifying the underlying cause of a challenge is essential for effective problem-solving in business. To achieve this, 2 synergistic methods stand out: fishbone analysis and the 5 whys technique. Fishbone analysis. Fishbone analysis helps dissect a problem into its constituent parts for a focused solution. Imagine you're grappling with a marketing challenge. You could categorize potential issues under product, price, place, promotion, people, process, and physical evidence. By examining each category for potential problems, you can pinpoint the exact nature of your marketing issue and devise a strategic action plan. This method allows for the exploration of new, related categories that might not have been initially apparent, enriching your analysis. Duke Ellington once said, "A problem is a chance for you to do your best." Before jumping into solutions, it's crucial to define your problems clearly using fishbone analysis. This ensures you're addressing the root cause rather than just symptoms. Remember, Consistent market research and engaging with customers can prevent many business problems. The 5 Whys Technique. Developed by Sakichi Toyoda, the 5 Whys Technique is a straightforward approach that involves asking why 5 times to delve into the core reason behind a problem. Suppose your business is experiencing lower than expected sales. Start with the initial why to uncover a reason, such as insufficient marketing efforts. Continue asking why to each response until you've asked 5 times, leading you to the fundamental cause. The fishbone analysis and the 5 whys are complementary tools. After breaking down your problem with a fishbone analysis, refine your insights by applying the 5 whys, ensuring a comprehensive understanding and effective resolution of the issue. Conclusion: mastering the art of decision-making. To tackle a problem effectively, start by ensuring you're in the right state of mind and body. Being physically and mentally prepared is crucial, as fatigue or strong emotions can cloud your judgment, making it difficult to make sound decisions. Once you're in optimal condition, thoroughly examine the issue from every angle. In a team setting, it's vital to encourage input from all members. As a leader, create an environment where everyone feels safe and valued in sharing their thoughts. Open dialogue enhances decision-making, ensuring diverse perspectives are considered. Remember, your brain can sometimes hinder rather than help the decision-making process. Understanding how your brain functions is key to leveraging it for better outcomes. For instance, instinctively, we might dismiss certain ideas without giving them much thought. However, allowing all ideas to flow unfiltered and documenting them can lead to unexpected solutions. Encourage your team to bring materials for writing down their thoughts, ensuring no potential insight is lost. Practical application. Give the OODA loop a try for your next decision. This method involves observing your surroundings, orienting the problem in relation to your unique circumstances, deciding on a plan of action, and then acting on that decision. This approach can provide a structured framework for navigating complex decisions, allowing you to test its effectiveness in real-world scenarios. Thank you for listening. If you want to master your mindset, check out the other books on our channel. Share this video with a friend that needs to hear this lesson.